Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of Friday. Yes, Friday, March the 1st, 2024. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have here two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 8107. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24. Should be a 4 stars. Let me check again. 3, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 24. Cannot believe this. Should be a 4 stars. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 24. It's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, should be have 25 printed digits. This one 24. So it could be also 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need more than 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. If it's a 4 stars. Question is this a 3 stars or a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos, 2 threes, 4 fours. All right. 4 fives. All right. 6 fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5 fives. No, 1, 6, 2 sevens, 1 8. And 3 9. So the 4s and the 5s are in majority. Can I start with 4? Yes, 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And now 4 4. Need a 4 here, 4 4. 4 4 4. Cannot continue with the 4. How about the 5 then? 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Do we have all the 5s? Let me check. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Then let me see. 4 4. No, 4 4 4. Well, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the second column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. All right. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, so no 4 there. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay, 3 missing numbers now in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in the last row. Should be there. Okay. And now, yeah. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. Here, 9 in the middle column, no 9 in that box. So one box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be here. And I've eliminated here, then the 4. The 4 should be here then, okay. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And one box left in the last row for the amount of 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. All right. We have all the 9s. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. 8, 8. How about the 7? Yeah, I'm thinking. Need a 6 here. Need a 2 here. Need 2 there. How about the 4? Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Well, need a 4 here. Yeah. 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. Need a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the last column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So one box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7. Let me drink something. Okay. Well, need a 2, yeah. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So one box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And we have a pair, the 2 and the 4 in the last row, the 2 and the 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. I need a 2 there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the column next, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So one box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1. Need a 1 there. 1. Need a 1. How about need a 3. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes at the 1 box left in this row from the bar, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square from the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. How about 1 and 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 7. Need a 7 there, okay. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9. So the 6, no. The 3, 1, 2, the 3 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 should be missing here. 8, sorry, we have 8. So the 6 and the 1 and the 6, correction, 1 and the 6. Made a mistake. 1 and the 6, okay. All right. 3, 6, and the 8. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 6 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So here 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 6. We have 6 now in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 3 and 3, 7 and the I need a 1 here. I need 3. No. How about the 6? Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Here we have 6, here we have 6. That means in the middle column, the only place left for 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 6 and 8. We have 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier. The 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1 is missing. The 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6. The 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8. And the 9 we have here. So 1, 7. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. We have 1 here, so here can be 1. And we have 1 here, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. So 3 and a 7 are left. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Sorry, the 1 and the 7 should be there then. Finished in 60 minutes. Wow. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm pleased with the time, although it has printed. This one has 3 stars. Well, I don't think so. It should be a 4 stars because it has 24 printed digits. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.